Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, cooled front seat, fog lamps, heated rear seat. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.